This is a spider entombing I think it looks like an ant. Let's see if he comes back out. That's the ant's shadow on the fence. This is in my backyard. The ant is trying to get out. Oh, here comes Mr. Spider again. That's his shadow. The camera's about 3 inches from the ant. I hate spiders, but this is kind of interesting. It's like a little ballet with his shadow. Imagine if spiders were 10 times bigger than humans. But look at this, eh? Fascinating. I mean, that's a very small spider. This is the kind of stuff that gives you nightmares. He goes around and around spinning the spider webby material on top of this poor little ant that he's going to eat. And the background sound is the barbecue. I hope I'm not burning that chicken. But look at that, eh? Oh, now he's retreating. And he comes back out one more time. Not particularly fussed by the camera. Literally, it's like an inch and a half away. Let's go in and see what happens if we go closer. We're kind of losing the light, but let's see if he comes back out. See the ant swarming away there. Guy's trying to get out. Let's see if Mr. Spider comes back. It's amazing what you can find in your backyard, on your fence. A whole horror movie, a whole Stephen King movie, right here. Let's see if he comes back. Maybe I'll pull back. Maybe I can see him up on the left. Let's see if he comes back out. I'm going to abort this soon so I don't burn this chicken on the barbecue. Let's just see if he comes back out. I'm not going to go rescue the ant. I'm going to let Mother Nature take care of this today. He's trying hard to live. Let's pull back and see. See, we are on a fence here. That's not Halloween decorations. That's real spider webs. Alright, Mrs. Spider. We want to end this video, so why don't you come out one more time? He's camera shy, so we'll zoom in and see if we can see him. There he is there. Not the best focus, but we'll pull back a little bit. A bit more. And it's always good to end a video with something dramatic, but I think it's not going to happen today because I'm losing interest.